Hello everybody, Belinda here. Welcome back. So I've got a 12 by 16 inch canvas and I'm going to lay down my white. So I'll be back with you in a bit. Right guys, so I'm not 100% sure how this is going to turn out, but I'm going to give it a go and we will see. So here I have red, so I'm just starting it over here. It's a little bit more on the one side than the other, so I'll just give it a bit more here. And then I'll have some fluorescent orange. And yellow. That's actually Indian yellow. And then I'm going to go in with blue. I think I'll just put the lighter blue here because I've got quite a bit of white. And then the light blue. I like to mix up light with dark and dark with light. Right, and now I'm going to repeat that over here. So let's go in with the dark because we have the light here. So here I'm going to try and make a thinner line. See how that goes. No. That was in the way. It's okay, you just fill it in like that. And then I'll go with this one on the top because I want them to kind of be a little bit opposite. We'll just see how this works out. Hopefully it'll work out well. Just get rid of that. And then I'll put the light blue at the bottom. Right. And then here I'm going to start with the yellow, I think. Maybe I should start with orange. I'll put orange down, then I'll make a decision. How's that? that cup is clearly in the way. Ooh, I like that orange. And then we'll go red, because here I've got the opposite. And then I'll do the yellow. Right, so what I have, what I'm trying to obtain here is warm to cool and cool to warm. And with that, I'm going to be using this comb. Now let me put this underneath so you can see. There's 2 layers of these bristle things, and they're staggered. So that actually is a hair colouring comb. So I'll start here in the white. I'm dragging it through, and actually the middle part is higher, it's risen. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to stagger this. So I don't think much will happen in between, if you know what I mean. Yeah. So then I'm going into the white again. Now that's awesome. So I'm not too concerned that I might be overlapping a bit. And that also looks nice, the way it's kind of got an arch in there, because the rest of it, you see, I actually pressed down a little harder. We'll go into the white again. Nice. So I think you can see I'm holding the comb like that now instead of like that. So I'm putting more pressure over here. Let's move these guys out the way so we don't have any accidents. And then this blue is a little bit down, further down than I would have liked. Oh. Now that to me is awesome. If you had maybe more thinner rows, you can imagine how that would work out as well. I'm loving this here. Turn that around. Make sure my cups are all where they should be. So I have a little bit here which has mingled. I don't mind it too much, so I'm actually going to leave it. I don't really, I mean, you're going to do something like this, do you really want perfect lines? Okay, so that one, that one matches that one. Let's see if we can get this one to match that one there. Make sure I'm holding the comb correctly. So I'm just wiping off the comb after each time. I don't know guys, you can see better than I can from that end, that angle. Yeah man, that's except the bottom part here, but that's matching that one there. And I quite like it that way. Because you're not, you know, it's not precise, like exact precise. Okie dokie, let's go again. Nice. It's almost like, you see how I've put the light blue, or the lighter blue, and that one there, so it actually looks like it's created a shadow, so it's almost like a 3D image. Right, let's go this way. Nice. And the last leg of the journey, because art is a journey, here we go. I'm just trying to hold on to my canvas as well. Oh man, that is outstanding. Look at that. Very, very nice. Okay guys, sure, I'm not sure if I should actually give this a torch, but let me just give one section a torch and see what happens, because even though I don't have any silicone or anything special in here, I don't want cells to pop up. Yeah, I suppose that's okay. Just need to get rid of some of the bubbles. Okay. I am loving the outcome of this. That is really special. Right guys, I'll bring you in for a close-up. Wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's doing such beautiful things. Alright, I'll bring you in for a close-up. Hey guys, so I'm loving how I have the shadowy effect from the darker behind the light. And I really, really like the way the white has come through behind the darker blue. Yeah, I think that's really, really pretty. And I also love the way it's kind of like that, opposed to just straight. So I do think that that is actually very effective. we're having the opposites. So it's warm to cool and cool to warm. I'll show you from this angle. Okay guys, I'm very happy with the outcome of this, and thank you very much again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.